Adverb: the use of verbal forms instead of adverbs. In Batak, verbs often have such a specific meaning that use is seldom made of adverbs. In translating these verbs, because must be head to an adverb or an adverbial adjunct. Moreover, a verb is often used to modify another verb, in which case we have to render the modifying verb with an adverb, e.g., Martahidonok, having decided to be almost near, Marayak Gudingari towards afternoon, almost afternoon. The sun is hurrying to set. Maradu Martata RBP 77 111 to laugh on either side, rivaling each other in laughter. Masogot 52 6b. This accounts for the facts mentioned in 72. Moreover, adverbs such as once more, again, home, go home, back in return, and adverbial adjuncts such as for the second time, so much the harder, on purpose. C 72. When the emphasis lies on them and expressed by a passive form, provided the verb to be modified is also in the passive, e.g., nunga diulah tulang dibain botang bosi. It has already been done again by uncle. Another draft has been set by him. Uncle has again set an iron trap. Here dibain botang bosi cannot be interpreted as the subject of diulahi datulang. For this to be so, na would have to be city by 155, or an active verbal substantive would have to function as the subject. All examples are rupa dua hari do utopot, yet I visited him for the second time. Dipoda hari madisapak RBP 71 3. He flung it the net for a second time. When the verb to be modified is active, it must be interpreted as the subject of such an adverbially modifying passive, because na is often dropped before an active. Cf 155 and 126 2. It should be noted that if a movement is implied by the verb, or its movement is introduced into it by a preposition 36, Manggulakon CF 107 is usually used in preference to Manggulahi. E.g., diulakon na po sunigajaima mangalopa. The prince servants again began cooking. Diulakon halak lau to harungguan. They went again to the catering. Diulakon bului malapak di hauman ni Napoli ABP 285 M. The bamboos again began to split on the face of other people, not on Jonah husband. Manggulakon is even used in conjunction with Muse, e.g. diulakon Muse marsuri. He began again to comb his hair. Examples of on purpose expressed by a verb are ia pala na hututu dihudedekon, as if I let this comb fall on purpose ditutun mereka mangyahi. The target between sang mai datu dalil B15-1-3FB. They ran the harder, pursuing him, because they saw him resting because his weariness. Igogo is also used instead of ditutun with the same meaning as the latter has in the last example, e.g. digogo rajai pedigut talas suada 13. Pulut dosian rukungna ABP 161-17. To the prince tried by force tear free, those roots did not loosen the hold on his neck. They fought on what is expressed by dati, e.g. Sali dati maditutu manaik. He kept climbing onwards even faster. When no emphasis is placed on the verb, an active is used in position, e.g. Pokos mulakau. Let me be poor again. Lau mai banamuri. He went home. It is not often that an active is found to be placed in order to give emphasis. And assignment 62 4a. Batak has no form for the infinitive 121. When the English uses the infinitive as supplement to another verb, Batak uses two passives, e.g. sedisibi halak do ditaban hutanabi ABP 12-113. They were always threatening to occupy our village. Sadi asupi halak to 97 nasida, ABP 13118. They were always threatening to occupy the village. It is kind of construction. It must be understood that a conjunction has been suppressed between two passives. 162. The asupi halak can also mean they made threats as well as something was threatened by them. The expression of a high degree. The verb very is expressed by the verb matsadi 47-3 or one of its variants matsadi or matsai. Matsali which has these two variants because it has cast off its original meaning so that it could function as a related 3114 note 2 is derived from Sali, a contraction of Sahadi once, as appears from Malay Sakali, which after a word representing equality performs the same function, and also from Sikali, Dari Sali, where the letter is used meaning without fail necessarily. Examples of the use of Matsali or one of its variants are Matsali Ningel 42 is very deaf, Matsai Nabolon 42 is very weak. Instead of the verbal form Sai preceded by Nam can be used, but the statement is then made in exclamatory manner with qualificative word taking the accent of the penultimate syllable, e.g. Nasai gabeho, you are so rich. Nasai daeho, you are so ugly. Nasai toropino, nasai gogo, IBP 308M. Those are so numerous and so strong. A verb that has the same meaning as matsali is matua, which originally meant the same as matua, to be out, and has acquired its nasal 11 in order to be in agreement with matsali, e.g. matua pade is very scared, matua auto is very stupid. It should be noted that both these verbs, which function as verbs, can never be placed before a word functioning attributively. One cannot say for a very large dog, biyang namasay boron. To express such a statement, a separate clause must be used after the substantive. The clause functioning as a predicative attribute of the substantive 137, e.g. Dibayan panganon na masay deak. His food was prepared by him. There was very much of it. He made of a lot of food for him. 51:5a. Dibayan sopo na masajokas. His sopo was made by him. Very beautiful it was. He made a beautiful sopo for him. The following auxiliaries are also used to express having a high degree of sukkot, which is used before a substantive that is introduced with the preposition ni, e.g. sukkot ni hagabeya ni bana, he has exceptionally rich. Sukkot ni pambayuan, this very aspect at weaving. Here the qualificative verb need not have the derivative form 122 so that sukkot ni pogos can be used as well as sukkot ni hinapogos and sukkot ni hapogoson. In constructions of this kind, sukkot is a substantive and means to have a too large of size to be able to fit into something, e.g. sukkot ni pambayuan means literally she has an excess of the art of weaving, i.e. she surpasses anyone in weaving. Mandarin uses nalobi before the substantive and sajo after it. Both words can also be used with a verb functioning attributively, e.g. nalobi bahat halak disi. There were very many people there. Bujing nalobi dengan a girl who is very beautiful. ABP 19:1, 11 FB 49:115. Bayo na dengan sajo, a very good or a very handsome man. She also sukut in dictionary. Dari uses songket dari G5B, e.g. songket kini pegas dekat kini dersa. ABP 140M. He was very poor and miserable. Songket ni jengkar. RBP 261-1-1. Her form was very beautiful. Songket ni pengke. RBP 63-1-8 FB. She was very beautiful. Songket kedubalangan. Songket kedubalangan mo kunuken dekat kini gurun ibetoh. It is said that he had an exceptional knowledge of the arts of the champion and of the art of divination. Tugan na Masai. Tugan nambagas dari itu is very tugan na melehe is very hungry. Tugan na merbelgah kayuna. Tugan na jumengkar dahana. RBP 120-113 FB. Its straw was very thick. It branches luxuriant. Tugan na buai piduk dekat binatang datas. RBP 141-1-2 FB. Above I saw many birds. Above I saw many birds in climbing my animals. See also 62 Vodi. Bolak. A substantive from Bolak 42. It is preceded by Inda 153 and followed by a substantive introduced by the preposition ni. E.g. Inda Bolak ni hinadinggan si burut tapi manauning. Literally, it's not lady, it's lady manauning. The extensiveness of beauty, or how exceptionally beautiful is the lady manauning. Surat is preceded by naso and followed by a substantive introduced by the preposition ni. E.g. Naso surat ni bidang do capalani. RBP 65-1-4. Beyond description was the extent of the pasture, i.e. the pasture was immensely wide. Naso surat ni deak. What verbs are there in number? Naso surat alone without a following substantive can function as a predicate. It is in order to give emphasis where something that is unlawful being spoken out. E.g. Naso surat do padian natural. His action towards me is quite unheard of. Can also be used. E.g. Naso padian natural. RBP 269-118 and P 271-17. Sibag is preceded by Inda and followed by a substantive introduced by the preposition ni. E.g. Inda sibag ni daw hutagol. Oh, what a long way I have go here. Naso sibag ni halion di hami, what a terrible famine is upon us. Arang is preceded by so and followed by a substantive introduced by the preposition ni. E.g. Soalang di padai di mana manopai skill is vogging is of no ordinary kind. Nialang preceded by Inda tung is also used. E.g. Inda tung nialang ni hasid be huilala. No longer do I feel the pain so badly. Perhaps someone else will be successful in explaining what nialang means here. Sodot. This word is only used before verbs. It is sodot malining leading. RBP 222. The dog's belly was swollen to bursting point. Sodot marot sam. Sudah dariku all my limbs were very dirty. Sodot magpirong daging muna. Your limbs are very black from walking in the sun. Duhut sodot manopan huida di haumami. RBP 314. I see that the weeds have spread profusely in your field. How or to 22a suffixes are used to express an excess of something. E.g. Magajaktu or magajakku is too long. Madaihu or madaitu is too ugly. A negative is not used with these suffixes. But so apala 158-7 is placed before the qualificative verb. E.g. So apala lunga, so apala pojok. It is not too wide or not too narrow. E.g. of a ring is just the right size. Mandaling only uses to that in mandaling verbs function. That in mandaling verbs function as a verbs appears form. For example, adong sapinio mangogo imbale sibadugo be about a short about a short distance away was very hungry. Masih tapulan mahalani mangulahi again they hack at each other. Jadi mulat maya muli. RBP 44-1A. Thereupon they returned home. Mulat bujing to become a virgin again. RBP 46-1-1. See also P 45-117. There uses so the following samples of the use of verbs. As a verbs deserve to be noted, tah malot ngo ibereken deba ngo anak wili bangku moli. Perhaps they will not give me back my child. Haku menggo roh nahan lain belgah idi menter aku nahan langi laus. Abi 216b. But should the flood come by and by I shall start swimming immediately. Madango ku kenakan ku bereken si rangku idi. ABP 154b. By no means have I intentionally given that bird my shot. Iolihi nola kembali kerbo. ABP 1960. Again she became a buffalo. Iolihi takal kerbo si ranggil nola muida budirina. ABP 95b. The head of Rangil, the buffalo again fell down. Mertahan sip sambing. ABP 98b. To keep quite silent all the time. Mertahan sip mangu. ABP 101m. Still she remained silent. Merayak so. ABP 106m. Almost arriving at Asaigahgahi in Iandeken. ABP 108t. Thereupon she sang out in a loud voice. Note: in Mentawai, the superlative is expressed by placing banak after the word it. After the word it is to qualify, e.g. lok banak. It's very beautiful. The party is in full agreement with Japanese, which uses teman in the same way, and with Alpha of Minahasa, which uses karangan. Various constructions with a verbal function. Batak uses for the equivalent of our adverb or adverbial chunk a word that functions as a predicate and a substantive that functions as the subject, except as examples 121 to indicate the manner in which the purport of a verb takes effect. A compound term, which is in itself a sentence, can however also function as a subject, e.g. Dengando hu ding, dengando hu tarup. RBP 9115. Neatly have I provided that supper with walls. Neatly have I provided it with a roof. In this example, dengan functions as the predicate of huding and of utarup. The literal translation of the example is: Neat was its being walled by me, and neat was its being roofed by me. Another example of such a construction is: Nasat rodi dia ditagon ho berutai. To what place has our daughter been brought by you? Words that are normally used together can be separated, the first standing first as a predicate and separated from the second by the subject, e.g. Saat maibana rodi bonani highway arrive at he at the tree. Saat go to arrive at sampai mana sida tolu bulan na Magdalani. They traveled for 3 months. Sampai belongs with tolu bulan, sampai tolu bulan by itself, meaning for 3 months. It's really a sentence, complete or uncompleted are 3 months. Leleng, long of time, is often so used as a predicate, e.g. atik leleng au rasago. Perhaps I am long before I return. Perhaps I shall be gone a long time before I come back. This particular method of expressing the verb must be the reason that there are so few words functioning solely as adverbs. For example, 2 to 106. Momos rakak seldom also meaning standing apart from each other, of thin hair on the head, or plants that do not standing close to each other. Silu hato to, alongside which the verbal forms mabito and mani are also in use, etc. These words need not, however, be interpreted as adverbs. They can just as well be regarded as abbreviated sentences of which the subject is not expressed, but is understood as they come at the end of the clause. One could tend to regard them as adverbs, e.g. dirahuti momos, it was born by them, firmly it was done. They can, however, also stand predicatively at the beginning of the statement, e.g. hatok nape go patunggu tuho, soon the dance will come to you. Literally, on the soon is dance come to you. Sapala mangat ton ho diao silu bain. If you must eat me up, they do it quickly. Here, silu can be interpreted as the predicate of bain, which, as a substantive, it is the subject. Tutu do masih kulut halak mabato. They were rightly quarreling about possessing you because you are so beautiful. Literally, is people wishing to take you as a wife. Pitor. is usually placed at the beginning of the phrase, e.g. Pitok mulak doibana, he returned forthwith. Just as manigok and mamitok, it also functions as a conjunction, and often it introduces a sentence in which something is mentioned that follows something spoken of in an earlier sentence. See 162. Adverbs of place or location. Adverbs of place or location are expressed by a preposition 159 with a substantive or a word functioning as a substantive. Denominative adverbs of this kind are the jolo in front, to jolo to the front, the pudi behind, to pudi backwards, the toru below, to toru downwards, the siamun right, to siamun to the right, the siabirang, then be left. These words become prepositions 160 by placing ni and a substantive or a pronominal suffix after them. Dictic or pronominal verbs of this kind are the son, to son, the see 153, and the dia 156 for, and can never become prepositions. Some of these denominative adverbs are derived by means of the suffix an, e.g. di bagasan, inside, to bagasan, for bagas or bagas, from bagas or bagas 143, to the inside, di balian outside, to balian to the outside, both from Bali. Without the preposition, some of these adverbs have a totally different meaning, e.g. Jolo 158 orders by the addition of the suffix an apply to time, e.g. pudian, in, di pudian, in jolowan, in na jolowan, and to jolowanon. Note: pudi must be a nominal form of an earlier mudi from a stable udi 61, from which the Malay kamudi guder, that which in behind 135, and kemudian from kemudian afterwards are derived. As in Javanese, the beginning K of the last word takes the place of a vowel or a labial, hence kamanakan, sister son, according to Minangkabau Malays, he inherits from anak, kama 161 note, kamunca from puncak, deka, by virtue of its place in a light syllable, often becomes a G, e.g. gamarcik to splash of oars in the water from pacik, gumawang 61 note, etc. Dementawe kudian must have arisen from kemudian by the dropping of the infix. That many Malay words having the infix also have the infix r is clear from a comparison of the Mentawe kumilap kilap to glitter from kilap, and the Malay gamarilapan to glitter of many things. Gamarilapan is also pronounced gamarlapan, cf. Manggalatar to siba of the limbs gamatar for in gamatar. Adverbs of time. Substantives are used as adverbs of time if the period of time is specified 150 for 152 2. Dictic or pronominal verbs of time are dung, nung, or ever, in the dung, never, jot, often, rakak, seldom, cf. 155, etc. From the C, on, nanon, etc. C 143 and 143a. From Ahaduan C 112, there are also the following: not to worry yesterday, not to worry sada, or not to worry sada, the day before yesterday, not to worry sada 154, or not to worry sada ya 150 for a, the day before the day before yesterday. Yodari na the following evening, sadari sogot the day of tomorrow, bodari sogot tomorrow evening, arian nai the day after torang niarina the following day. When a time when at the time of speaking something is referred to that the speaker has not seen happen, or something is said that is or something is said that is known to the person addressing nuwaing, and other variants are used and not unknown. The translation is probably now, e.g. adong do baru ni tulang munumain denggan, etc. There are probably now in the village where they live, not here cousins of yours, the one beautiful, the other less also, baru ni jolma manusia nuain di utanami ABP 1516 FB. Although talk of a mortal is probably now in our village, the reference is to Danjomba Ilik, who is not present. Manganubi town is with Ganub town and Wali, also in use as an adverb. Nasaunan on means during this onan was CF 144. Sitokin 152 2A means not only a moment but also again and again every moment. CF 152 2, e.g. bagot dilabung dalan panarusan saya tokin, to the palm of the pap or the pet, which is trapped again and again. Dipudianon in future henceforth, phrases such as Gijangari, the sun is high, the day is advanced, are used as adverbs of time. When the phrases function adverbially, the predicate shifts the accent to the preceding syllable, e.g. Gijangari tamangan, we ate at noon, sudah pitu bonginon, the 7 nights have gone, i.e. after these 7 nights in 8 days. ABP 283 1 3FB P 322 223 14. Such adverbial phrases of time come at the beginning of the phrase. The phrase of the clause dungi, it is done, and its variant dungni, nungi, and nungni are used to the point of boredom, e.g. nungi itatan mahotang malui to bagasan lobang after the aforesaid thing had happened. He allowed the malokin into the abyss. After dung and its variants, one or two words can, as a matter of course, also be used instead of the pronoun e.g. dung torang arilaw manasida, when they down they departed. The main clause which follows has ma after the predicate. It can also begin with asa, e.g. RBP 33411 FB Mandeng has natuari 22 3A sadari sachogot sadari sogot dari has arinaidi arianai bengin bon tomorrow night ipodin era dipudion sendah lumai beremben masogot buari cadani natuari sadai sekarang si dictionary kencadung. Sentence adverbs. It has already been shown that Batak has not verbs that in the same way as the adjectival noun can limit, qualify or describe a substantive, can modify or qualify a verb. For example, Batak has not verb with which to express well in he sleeps well. Such verbs as well as the adjectival noun must be replaced by a predicate. The verb functions as the subject 122, 1 and 155. There are, however, words which, for want of a better description, are seldom sentence adverbs because, in addition to their adverbial meaning, they can also change the whole meaning of a sentence. Sometimes, such a sentence verb can be translated with a modal auxiliary, such as could, who could that be, C6, but in many cases a circumscription must be resorted to in order to translate a precise meaning. Such sentence adverbs are Jolo. The first meaning of Jolo as a substantive is what lies in front. Hence the reason that, with a preposition, it is an adverb of place, and that when it is defined by a substantive introduced by ni or a pronominal suffix 160, it can function as a preposition. The second meaning is first before earlier, e.g. Mulao, Jolo, Jupang, Bidong, etc. RBP 79-111 FB. If I had the luck to be the first to find a bird that etc. In addition to these two meanings, it has the meaning of do now, in the way that do now is used too often or an otherwise peremptory command, e.g., do come here now instead of come here, and to put a request, e.g., do let me go now. Examples in Bata are mula maujolo, why I had better return now. Allow me to go back now. ABP 79, 111, 115 FB, Lau Maujolo. ABP 136, 1 FB, 15 FB. Well, I ought to be going now. Allow me to depart now. This use of jolo is according to the way it is used in a sentence, even circumscribed by I am asking you. If you please, e.g. dongat tu jolo saudugan donga bisa halak asalau hami jolo manggul topi dong tu gabai. ABP 204B. Let one of your companions be my fellow travelers so that we can, if you please, go to the forest to shoot birds with the blowpipe. Work jolo to be absent from the main class, then dongat tu saudugan donga mis sahalak would simply mean my traveling company is one of your company. Other samples are Bogumunawon Dison Majolo, ABP 79, 114 FB. Do let me leave your daughter here. Sukut Bambuse Jolo Sumango ni Daupung. Do please ask grandfather spirit Nakon Majolo to son Pagmuna, ABP 226.17. Give me, you please, something of yours as a token that you acknowledge me as a arbitrator. The namangijam hujugmi dua ujolo. Please let me, the one to borrow your lands. Leon Majolo diau ememi saiboni ni haumaki. Give me, you please, just so much of your rice as is necessary for me to sow my field. Agiat Majolo dawau asapalu, let me, I beg you, first be far away before you hit the gong. On P61 of the reading book 1-2, Aji Pamasa, after having tried himself at various times to buy a wife, says to his elder brother, Homa Jolo Hahang Mangoli, now you please go, brother, and buy a wife, from which a simply can be seen that the original meaning of verse earlier before does not apply. There uses lebeken, i.g. ulang mo kono lebeken laus, ABP 161.12 FB. I pray you don't go kudimban kono lebeken giam, ABP 216.17 FB. Let me sing a charm song to you. Lebeken appears to be a passive imperative of mengelebeken, so that it means literally it take place earlier. Lebe, CF also ABP 32.115 FB, P35.12. From this original meaning, it is easy to explain the idea of a request, because by using this word, someone is asked to do or not to do something first. The first example can therefore read, don't go now, but stay with me. The second, before you eat me up, let me first sing a charm song to you. Note, lebbe brings me to the Malay labi, with which word it is not etymologically related, because Malay labi corresponds to labi in diary, and in Malay labi can have the same of a request, especially in a contrastive or concessive context, e.g. labi maaf, e.g. labi maaf juga Tuhan akan ayanda orang tua ini. Please do excuse your father, this old man. Sungguh pun demikian, lebih kasihanmu juga akan dia. Let it be it so. The child is misused. Be kinder to her, e.g. si miskin, P81, P138. Lebih maklum sahabat kita, Malay letter. Our friend may know, etc. CF also Panjataran, P88, 14. Dahulu is also used in an imperative When speaking in a friendly manner, e.g. tinggallah saudaraku dahulu di sini. Indara Putara P113, stay here now my brother, he said, taking his leave. The Malay word used by a person asking leave to depart is bermuhun, literally to say muhun. 52.6. Muhun is used instead of mamuhun to request something. The stem word puhun as a substantive means tree trunk. Java is a meat and kawi mam wheat comes from wheat the tree. Figuratively, tree trunk beginning serve pangkal and pokok in Malay, so that in Javanese in Malay the concept of beginning origin has been transferred to a request. Should not the Malay ampun also be explained as a contraction of amba puhut I ask for discharge of my debt or something like that. Ikon, variance ningon, ikon or ingon. Nikon is placed before the predicate and represents the idea of something of necessity taking place before the thing mentioned in the sentence following, which begins with asa kenoku iji ningon dapat hoi, ningon dapat hodui asagabe ho. First you must have obtained that, then you will prosper. Before you have that, you will not be lucky. Ningon pinas patson bulung rata asa jadi niapasan nalak. First, a green leaf must be shaken out on someone's grave before a person may be put out of mind. A person must be first be dead before we have nothing to fear from him. Ikodung peadong tubuh ibotota asa mula kau tuhu tami. ABP 12M. Only a peer brother for me has been born. Can I return to our village? Molo jukpa halak ningo dibaino ha muli-mulian ni begu ni ulok na jukpasai. If anyone should encounter it, he must use the full same means or order whereby the first of the snake he has encountered can be made to return before he is safe for any danger. Nikon can also be used adversatively, i.e. when something must take place before the thing mentioned previously can occur, e.g. after Jonah had begged the Gladiator to make an end to the war, and having said that he would abide by the latter's decision, the Gladiator said, Ningon olo do madangdang aluminon, ABP 275.1.2. But your opponents must then consent to pay a penalty when Nikon or its variance is placed after the predicate. It makes the sentence conditional, e.g. jadi mas ningon jadi do tutu. If it must be God, then God it will be. Mandailing uses akun, e.g. akun go doho magpadan hita achora auriho, ABP 7126. First, it must be your wish that we make an agreement with each other, then only do I want to have you. Ako tak taon gudam garagaji, so tak bolus tutano etc. ABP 141.1. One must be able to endure a good garagaji before one can go towards the country called BM. Dari uses kena, but often omits it, so that as jadi in the following sentence suffices to indicate that the meaning is first before, e.g. kena akapanmu kubakin asa jadi, ABP 181M. First I shall make you feel my power before all will be well. You'll first it first. Kubunuh ngokono asa jadi. First I must kill you before all is well. Molih ngokrina buk midi asa jadi. All your feathers must be restored 62 to before all is well. Sikali 138 and 154 is used in conditional sentences instead of kena, e.g. muda sikali ngoaku asa jadi doken empungta panganan mahan pengempo bagasa igi, ABP 84. If says out loud, it must be eaten up so that I can be the consecration meal for his house before all will be well, etc. Muda sikali dengan kono medem ngoaku asa jadi, PRBP 68. If you really must lie with me before all will be well, etc. Mada kena with the first passive after it indada pala, separate or indada with the passive verbal substantive 133 1, e.g. mada kena ipertasak kono abi 6816. You don't have to prepare that food. Mada bokena kupek dengan medem da beru ena. IBP 71 110 FP. I don't have to lie with this woman. That originally kena is the same word as the kena used with the passive 101 is beyond doubt. Sai, variance, Sali and Sadi. This word already discussed in the verbal form in 154 is placed before the predicate and means duration of that represented by the verb or by the word functioning as a predicate it must be translated by always constantly, e.g. Semona ngandoi ibana abi 159:1:1. He always wants Sadi bosugan ibana mangan bogas di sabubuhoni. He always satisfied by the eating of those rambutan. Saliboti manina pakhatani pidong RBP 87M. The content of the bird's speech was always thus Saliso maibana DC. He always stayed there. Odako salitaris. Don't continually cry. Dung ni say magusari maibana dad he continually worried. Dung ni say paima afterwards he always waited for it. Sai is often used with the same meaning before an active functioning subject of the passive verb that indicates the observing, for example, by hearing it of something that is repeated or is always occurring, e.g. Hubege say magsurat-surat continuous shouting was being heard by me. Hubege say magosi-gosi her music constantly being made. The certainty with which the speaker expresses his conviction or his desire that something should take place, e.g. saya naropar tunggu tuho. IBP 260-124. Your creditor will come to you, there's no doubt of it. Saya namonang doho. IBP 159-128. You will certainly get the victory. Saya rodoi maridi tutogon. They will come here to bed. I'm certain of it. Disi husugu magalapo saya rodoho. As soon as I send for you, you must come without fail. Mulai bahna do tutu saya hutiop do. If it is really he, then I shall certainly catch him. Mula saya ogung ni daw pungon madiho. If nothing but this gang of grandfathers will do for you. Unang tari daw sari budi odoi. Let this not be seen. Hide it by all means. There is another example in 133:1. Sai often introduces a main clause in which something is mentioned as being inevitable, while the preceding subordinate clause contains a condition or a supposition, e.g. even if you do stay at home, if you are destined to be a mouse of a tiger sign, rodoi mangalabiba, it will become and get you 148:4. For another example, see 133:1, 199:112 FB. Sai is also used to express an earnest wish of goodwill, e.g. Sai gabe hopinas ni anak mi, may you to your son be blessed. Sai hora samu, may you always prosper. By adding do after the predicate, sai is used in order to express a perfect similitude. 165. Mandarin uses lang, lying or lying short, and lied not, e.g. anggo lang di short do mate do di bay namamu. IBP 129:115 FP. Because if you continue to stay here, you will be killed by your father. Like naso. Kung di pakuling ni laduk 121:1. Line C IBP 235:119 and 237:110. Dairy also uses mertahan 154:70. In the case mentioned in A, but elsewhere uses sikadi or tipat, e.g. ulak ko tipat tangis abi 231:110. Don't continually cry. Ulang tipat daberu ididoken kene gerak pangmain kuidi RBP 105:14 FB. Don't keep saying that woman when referring to my daughter-in-law. CF also RBP 36:13 sikali doken ngo itulus na posonta idi etc. IBP 211 FB. You must tell our manservant to look for it. CF2D. Hian or hinan manding F3 note means beforehand, previously, e.g. Naikuboto hian agani hujuran. I want to know beforehand the fall of this lands. Pabwa hinan diaw tell me beforehand by hinan sira dot asong tu balangai. Put some lemon juice in that balanga beforehand. It also means really actually ji adog hian ladong di pipi ni si padat. There really was a dead spot on peace check. When hian or hindan is followed by do, it means that the thing represented by the verb has taken place, and in conditional sentence, an occasion assumption that it will have taken place in the future, e.g. digaji hinando pangalopa, here engage the services of a cook. Mol na tubuh hinando anakku, where my son will have been born. Au huboto hinado baute emelobu. As for me, I already knew that Roboga smells like dung. Followed by ma, here or hinan expresses either a strong desire for the thing represented by the verb to take place, or a strong doubt that it will, e.g. mate hinan maho, die can't you. I would that you were dead. Dilio kohinan mai. Now you would give that ironically as if you would. Tamasa hiyan baho na zaidaeho. How could she want you? You are so ugly. Olo hiyan maigok. How could that ever become whole? After the substantive and its adjunct, hidden as the meaning of real proper, e.g. Bata hinando, he is a real Batak, i.e. though no Muslim, he is after all pagan. Pangisinihutai hinan, the real inhabitants of a village, are distinct from persons who have been invited ABP 270 114 FB. Di top hutan ni Panay hiyan, he went to his proper village where he had originally lived, the one to which he belonged. After an interrogative, hinan hiyan has the sense of X as a means of putting the emphasis on the interrogatory questions in which astonishment expressed that anyone could have do differently, e.g. hiyan na hula di bay na go to son idang naing na nabung in coming here. What else have I come for if not to hold a cook fire? Here is also used in cases expressing disbelief and an assertion someone has made, e.g. nasa ko na here doho, you haven't had the time. Is that what you are telling me? Nahiyan or nahinan, see dictionary is a full verb of time. Mandarin also uses nahinanan 148a, which appears to be a comparative functioning attributively 134.2e as an adjective, e.g. Kehe masih baun pejel to labanahian. Baun pejel went to the sets formerly used for campur, otherwise as in toba. Dari skin, e.g. lambelgahkin, IBP 215 1 to 27, the really large river as distinct from a beck or a stream, mi bekasnakin, IBP 155 112 FB. The owner of the sword went to his proper place, in the place where he belonged. Kin is also used in a preceding indirect question when barang 147D drops out, e.g. idike mungkin muari agninya ibakin kono engot kono, IBP 235 117 FB. Try to remember where you actually put it before, and it is used after an interrogative that has been made indefinite by barang, e.g. barang sikadekin, whichever name sikade 146 for you like to give him, IBP 3417 usage. Other words is as in toba, e.g. nikuso kinmo pagdalan na IBP 208M. The cause of it should be investigated beforehand. Isade nakin. The yonder really is Great River 157 dari FN. Niyan, the word appears to mean really. It refers to an intended action that has not been fulfilled, but is also but it is also frequently used to inform the speaker of something, and often to convince him of the opposite of what he thinks or might think, e.g. Biasa maidang marona do hami manabung haminian. I repeat 136m. When his mother thought that he and his friend had not gone to the Onan, he said, "Why, mother, we really have been to the Onan. We have, let me tell you, been cook fighting, singing na donian." IBP 68 111 VFB. Though his opponent at every throw had Juji to his own advantage, the throw was nevertheless to his. He was the winner and not his opponent. Iyango nahutopot da tulang donian Raja Usuman na donian naing liao bogunai IBP 57. The one I've really come to visit is my uncle Raja Usuman. I went to marry his daughter na majalahi pirong na marong maghata-hata doaunian. IBP 71B. You should know that I seek a bird that can speak na taruja do na yan sida di haumani halak na masiyadawan niyan na sida matawari. She said, been wounded by a ruja on something field. When she was in fact looking for mushrooms yesterday, she went out with the intention of getting mushrooms of Roma babiat sedigaing matano mabuat apodinian lat suara dapat sado. The tiger kept on clawing the ground with the object of catching the pony, but he could not find it or catch hold of it. Frequently, the sentence in which Nian is used express something distinct from that in the one following. In the translation, these two sentences are linked with but. In Batak, however, the conjunction is often absent, or as in the previous example, conjunctive words such as La Suada 153 and Matua Suada RB P71 1FB etc. are used, e.g. inda dong nian utang mo diaw di bay na dung male do wow RBP 139m. Really, it is not because of what you owe me, but because I am hungry. Such a preceding sentence is often negative, as in the last example, the sentence the following then begins with a lie, e.g. Ida tung adong utang mo diaw, alay nunga maleaw RBP 14111 FB. Really, it is not so much because of what you owe me, but because I am hungry. Ida tung dilele halak aunian, alay naing di jokong si bogu tadan di bulan. I am not so much pursued by someone tadan di bulan wants to detain me by force. Nian is used in many clauses to express something that would have happened had not something occurred to prevent it. The preventing element is expressed in the subordinate clause that follows, either with or without a lie, e.g. disoro babiati manian aili, etc. The tiger would then have caught the white bull in its claws, but, etc. Ditahu manian natioi, basuluk manalitoki, he would have scooped up the clear water, but it was more the water that was there instead. Dipanigorhon manian tuhuta nasida, tidariko manian sirobag di tano pulo hoksik, Roma musi aloge, etc. He would have gone immediately to the village and left behind on the island of Hoksik, but the wind again got up. Contrasting clauses of this kind can be transposed by using subordinate clause introduced by out or article 163 and by using nian in the main clause. The subordinate clause then expresses the thing that did not happen as having taken place, while the main clause, which is often interrogative, expresses the reverse, e.g. atik boti madidok, adong talu aluminian, adong nian Monaco. He had his words spoken. Would your opponent have been defeated, and would you have been victorious? Out ola nak munai by nelaku aha na podo nian ida mamilit maaw diakta munai. If your son wanted to be my son-in-law, what will it mean? Would not I have the pick of your treasure? Au ni idang hu sabuluton diulotsu di buan dunian. Had I not wrapped it in my clothing, he would have taken it. Both clothes can, however, have neon in them. Iji atik na joro diudakonian aso idaung sa dibuakonian maduk di si Jonah hainon aso idaung hamu magmusui nian idaung si Jonah hanian mamunu idaung ho matian abi P277M. Had you first tried it out, so that you would not have taken Jonah's fall, and had not, as a consequence, had a war with each other, then Jonah would not have killed any of you, and you would have lost no man. Au niadong nian dapo tau si panganon natabo idahamuna donian mangaton. Had I been able to get something tasty to eat, wouldn't you have eaten it? When Nian and Do 165 are used in the main clause, a reality is expressed with which the content of the subordinate clause is at variance. E.g. diak do nian duhut gagatonna alai magdiang do hogboy ABP 7014 FB. There was indeed an abundance of grass that they could eat, but still the buffaloes were lean. Mandaling does not often use nian in combination with tapi, ally in the following clause. An example is tinggan dunian ari ni nato pagi, tapi saotik masalah na ABP 19M. The day the child is born is indeed auspicious, but something is lacking. CFRB 9115 FP and P21-2. In the preceding clause, nian is used with Gary 163 when the main clause is interrogative. E.g. Gari dapota nau nian bogu ni raja nami tolu ida tupuk mudoi sakibung ABP 38 118 FB. That I've been able to catch 3 phrases, lady would not one of them have been for you in Mandarin nian. In Mandarin, nian is often placed after a subject that for emphasis is put at the beginning of a sentence. E.g. when each of the chamber getters had said that he had had no dream, said Baun Pejel au nian godo ni piku ABP 3 113 FP. As for me, a dream did not come to me. I did have a dream. The contrast in this example is clear, but such is not the case in au nian. Yot do au makapu ABP 218 I let me tell you, want to accompany you in looking for champo and betak hula honian betak dongan. Maybe you are a kinsman from another marga, maybe of the same marga. Darius nemukan iji hukum beguniba pangon nemukan nempun si menggerit kucapi idi kasabagi kucapi mat selidonina. If the empun that twangs that kucapi were really father spirit, why does he say it is like the kucapi of Selido father? Kuantat nemukan sisa da petang ena berjumpa aku dekat bahaya pemakan kambing etc. IBP 183B. I would have brought this one petang of palm wine, but I made a godhead etc. Nemu is also used, but in a main clause it can also indicate certainly. In the future, e.g. muda mada mubah pedah ni guru serat uwalu bengin ena jumpa mo nemu biahat ini. ABP 162 111 FP. If the instruction given by my teacher in divination is not amiss, the tiger will be caught this week, but ku berengo nemu sadakeni ena ale tuang etc. RB 182 113 FP. I will give you one, but now brother etc. Dom is also used in conceive clauses. The preceding clauses, e.g. kuidum ben nemu endai polamu idi otang bang si kupengido bamunari. ABP 180 118. Though I have been drinking your palm wine just now, it was not because I asked you for it. Ulaning 32.3. Lan is used in cases except expressing doubt. i.e. in those in which no decisive answer is expected. As for example, when one asks oneself a question, e.g. biasa maun magniyang laning ABP 70B. Why should those buffaloes bilin? Natutuloy ulani ni Doc ni Hulit Sulisi. What can this Hulit Sulis What can this Hulit Sulis says be true? Magubayan laning mamalo sa padini amangudai. What I now do to pay Uncle back in his own coin for his act? Anang maulaning mabuat ugasati. Now what could you have taken my thing away? Inangan ise maulaning na punasaon. Good heavens, to whom would these things belong? Songon dia do ularing na tubuy. ABP 419. What should a newly born child look like? Anang nabea rolaning hitaon sogot ABP 65M. What will become of both of us? Layout ni below 15 is also used instead of ulan in questions like this, e.g. biasa may dadong magtadukon layout ni lubuon ABP 14019FP. Why do these cattle have no horns? CF also ABP 14013FB. Nasian dia do ibana lihat ni Magdalan ABP 154B. Which way would he have gone? Natu dia do lau lihat ni bugu-bugu na puna sopon. Where would the woman to whom this sopa belongs have gone? Mandailing uses luani ulani no 25 and luani ogwai so ag diagiaha maulani topa simana ringkui. On what days I was born. These words are used with the he south to indicate confusion as to the cause of action that should be taken, e.g. biya maluani tehe panai ku dion ABP 49M. How in the world shall I climb it? Songodia maudokon guwai tiye ABP 25816. How am I supposed to say it? Is a dolaning on ABP 12913. Whoever can that be? In short Mandailing, learning is also used in Nugan questions in which a demand for an immediate reply is implied, e.g. Tanodia maulaning on ABP 130M. What country is this? Alakto di kodia do ulaning ABP 130B. Wherever have you come from? In North Mandarin, nakni below 15 is used, e.g. Ahan nakni anggi bay no ni amang boguku di bay di sugu alap halani damang. My David, what has my uncle to do that he sends for father, i.e. what does uncle send for father? Dari use India, jika di India pemuatku piduk ini dekat binatang data CD ABP 141T. Just what means must I employ to catch those birds and climbing animals? Rabdi kemam India dalam menangkih midatas. Just which is the way that one climbs up enggut mangoya India mangupahi ABP 159M. Would he be inclined to engage the services of etc. Kadengena India ABP 246-1-FB. Just what is this? Kade modosang kwendia bagi begu barang by jelma ABP 118B. Just what offenses would I have committed against the spirits or against mankind? For another example, CIBP 22-116. Apalah. The best translation of this word appears to be precisely like such, in the sense of adding emphasis to the word following, e.g. molo apal dison mahamatian beha bainon. If right here is the place to die, how do we have to act? Haha mapala ngongog hita manggagat. Why should we be grazing with such haste? In questions in which doubt is expressed of the real need for something, gira to dia why hungry, literally wither so fast, is used, e.g. Giga to dia hita mangula IBP 140 AM. What the need for us to hurry with the work in the fields. Before a substantive or a pronoun functioning as such, apala can be translated by even, e.g. apala I materi by hamuna, even that person has been killed by you. Apala siana inaburu idang napodo mangosop Suzuki, tongimana jumolo mangosop Suzuki, even my beloved bridegroom has not yet put his mouth to my breast. Should he some other men mentioned before, then precede him in doing it, where in order to express something as being very small or trifling, apala stands before a word and is itself preceded by Yango 165. It is less often used than pala below e.g. Angko apalaido muka do ibairon, e.g. if it is only that, it is easy to do. Angko apalaido na didok mutuau, buasa pala disiato manukmi dibuako idahami. If you have nothing worth saying to me, why did you have to kill a foal and bring your guys? Angko apala manopa do didok konhoau, buasa pala dibuako idahamu. If you want nothing more of me than fogging, why did you bother to bring your guys with you? Angko palaido tinadakonmu angko babi na dialamani ida diboto doi. If that is all the knowledge of diminution you bring with you on your visit, the very pigs in the compound have the same knowledge. Angko palaido muda dao ni. If that's all it is, the remedy is easy. Angko pala susumido dipisat idang sanga bohai di paboto-boto si anak nina bogum. You have fellow pinches, nothing but your breast it's not no consequence if your bridegroom knows of it. Apala also has the meaning of very adverb and only before qualificative words functioning as predicates, but also before an abbreviated sentence functioning as an adverbial jang, e.g. di hatai raja ibi guna siari. Apala dengan the priest address the spirit that had entered the medium, and very beautiful his address was. Ditibal juhuti di atas lidahan. Apala dengan apala uli, he laid the meat on the boiled rice. He did very beautifully. Taktang do kota na di tangan nai. Apala sautik, the gum on his hands worked loose, but only a very small amount. Angko apala na pogos do na magharwani, manuk do sada di bail pagharwani anak dai. If the one who is holding the fish is very poor, then one for is used for the meal celebrating the birth of his son. Ima sada apala natabo pidong panganon. That is a bird which is very tasty to eat. Apala is rarely used before for function attributively, but an example is aso takub dakani sabubuhon apala paktogon, so that I guess this lowest branch of the sambubuhon. Apala used with the negative, so has been dealt with in 154.7. Apala is frequently used after indada, often before a passive verb but substantive, in a main clause in which no need for is expressed. In subordinate clauses, however, apala is used for preference, e.g. idada apala sautonoku hamuna. There is no need for me to compliment you people. Idada apala pangiron hamuna, sunut manuk mahamuna. You need not be married in a festive manner, just made like falls in the pen. Idada apala magharap pangodang nainang. Idada apala magharap pamuni nainang tiyan guma. Mother has no need to call for pangodang or pamuni from the village to help with the work in the fields. Apala is used in exclamations in which species in length on the improbability of a contention of a belief, e.g. apala toba, as if I were a toba. How could you think that I am a toba? Apala hujopon my nakini, as if I had pushed him over. How could you think that I would have? Zetera apala sadia dawi, as if it were exceedingly far off. It's also used to express a request that amounts to another. It is perhaps the Malay apala. Ijangiat ma apala ho manguli alihahang. IBP 6114. Do gonna brother and by a wife. Ia preceding apala. also expresses the same thing, e.g. ia pala patuduhon Mariau, RPP 67 13. Show me now. Apala is preceded by sa introduces as a conditional conjunction, a subordinate clause in which a necessity is expressed, e.g. Sapala mangaton hodiau, IBP 76 110, if you must eat me up, etc. Sapala is also used to express a request, e.g. Sapala huangina loja, dictionary P 527 and P 143. Pala, the first meaning of this word appears to be sufficient, e.g. naso pala inumon, that is not sufficient that it can be drunk. It is used before a numeral to lay emphasis on the number stated, e.g. Dua manukiri by pala dua dibuat. What are these four short for? Since you have taken as many as two of them, it is also used in occasions expressing need for, e.g. biasa mapala sanga mangan hokbo di ben hamuna hami. Why need you regale us even with buffalo meat? Pala used after rango, C7 above, and also in conditional subordinate clauses has the same meaning as apala, e.g. molo pala mati bana beha bainon. If he must die, how will it be accomplished? For example, C133 1n. It is also used in first cases, e.g. so pala ima hamaluaku manarui pangano ni jol masubegu. Will it be shameful for me to carry food for a monster? Preceded by ua, pala is used in friendly requests and also in exclamations in which the probability of something is expressed, e.g. ua pala rap mahami marujolo, please keep together. Ua pala tikir damang nama jolo iboto ni raja. Go now, friend, and visit the raja's sister. Ua pala dabu madiau bogas di sabuhoni. Please drop me those sabubuhon foods. Ua pala pa imamau. Wait for me. Ua pala na marinau. It is as though I had a mother. Oops. For the preceding, it appears that apala and pala are, in some cases, interchangeable. I make no claim that both words are really one and the same. Mandarin uses pala, CF diary. Pala is in its first meaning sidichari, but it uses pala where surprise is expressed at something that is said, e.g. what is your attitude towards being called because he wanted to kill you, she asks. At that he replied, biya ma pala rohaku dihalani, maksud dihodoi, IBP 195 117. Why should I have any plan with regard to him? I leave you to you. There uses pala, CF Mandarin pala, in the first meaning C dictionary. With a first passive, it uses mada kena. In the pala C2 above, pala is used in questions in which a demand for an immediate reply is expressed, e.g. palaka de mosini dokanen dikonen dene bai nami. IBP 166 186. What is it that you people have to say to us? Polaka de mosi tokirinmu. IBP 767 115 FP. What the purpose of your visit? Pala is placed before a word in order to emphasize a negative or a word indicating a small degree or amount, e.g. malot pala mahaga kami isarihkan. IBP 26 110 FP. He cares not a jot for us. Pola si tok ngo kuinum, pola muidi, mentor, etc. IBP 180 112. I've only drunk a little of your palm wine and already you're answering me back. Nunga 11b means already, e.g. Nunga huida, I've already seen it. Nunga is often placed before a clause in which what has been observed or encountered is mentioned. It introduces a predicative adjunct of the subject and is often followed by sai 3 above, e.g. Di dama pagbuwe ni rukung banggik lunga sai marara di bain lamuna. IBP 1. Rukung banggik fruit was seen by him red because they were ripe. Di berma pidongi nunga gumiding-giding dia sarnai. He was the bird. He saw the bird roll over in its nest. Didapat ma inana nunga lokok direre. Dekar bebet sang mai datu dalu. FP 16:17 FP. He found his mother sticking to an old mat so poor that she had only an old mat as clothing. Di dapot nung adong morom lahi-lahi di jabunai, si fonda benda stip in her jabu, di tatap malayang-layang mat di dot manuk-manuk patia raja, nung asali hudu li batu tajung tulu. From afar he saw the man swell in the heavenly bird be sitting on the rocks di bereng matubunai, di da nunga magpayahan onom, she looked at that to which she had given birth and saw 6 of them lying there, di da matawari nunga sadi guguran. He saw that the tower was fermenting well. Chupa nasida matubu tutung nunga magbungay. They found tutung sugar cane stalks flowering. Nasusugat ni Ramos do boras na dikicang ditogo pinunga magugus nunga darat dida ABP 69:1 to FP. Above the foot of the tree was abundant, and below he saw the fallen fruit lying in great quantities spread out under it. Nunga mangungos tibigin nasida. They heard the bird making a rearing sound with his wings. Nunga say bonanai dida jalanunga botagi dida ABP 77:11. He observed that the lower part of the tree was quite clean, and also noted that it was evening. Dida mabayon padan nunga say di patok dogdo di pagkarungani ABP 13:15 FP. He saw that the pandan leaves that were to be used for weaving range in rows on the garden fields. The construction can also be such that the subject is mentioned first, and that nunga introduces the mention of that which has been observed. So about the part of the subject, e.g. Dida masih baru tunggul dijuji nunga sali patudak susuna ABP 60 AM. He saw the lady DDJ, her breasts were already standing upright, i.e. she saw that lady DDJ had formed and beautifully shaped breasts. After such a predicative, a chang, two can be used instead of nunga ed, e.g. dida hitsudo ABP 117. The gate was seen by him being closed. He saw that the gate was closed. A predicative adjunct of the object is expressed by a verb introduced by na, e.g. magdida iba naon narapak. When he sees me, poor devil suffering from hunger. Mandeling does not have nunga, not manding suis numma, so manding nunma is e.g. diligi ia numma mati amaniai. ABP 24:110 FB. He saw that his father was already dead. Madung is also used ABP 135:14. There is go which with the usual meaning of already just can also be placed after the predicative adjunct ABP 128B and 129. Otherwise, its use is similar to that of nunga in Toba, e.g. Ida nggo kenan jebak idi. He saw that the tiger trap has already caught something. Ibegeken nggo lot jelma ibagas na idi. He had that there was someone in his house. Ida motakal na nggo chibal ABP 158:15. He saw his head lying. Nggo is also used to introduce a substantive clause in which something is mentioned that has happened, e.g. ibagahkan kalak si deban enggo kita sada penarihin. Someone or other has said that we are in agreement. CF also IBP 172:117. There he also used nari see what 14 below after the predicative adjunct, e.g. ita tak mersembung nari ngopi duk dekat di binatang datas. ABP 140:13 FB. He saw from afar birds and climbing animals swarming in clouds. Meraliyoho nari ngo widah miteru. ABP 5M. I see that it has a downward passage. Last, this appears to be a corruption of laws and has as its first meaning, then further, e.g. Kusuktia tugulas lonong di tapiani, it slipped from the edge then sank the bathing place. It also indicates duration, in the sense of continuing to, e.g. di last dirajai biangi, the dog stayed with the prince. Last pono bowi, 142. She remains childless. Jadi lasti raba dojol manai ABP 162M, so that his wife still sojourned in the wilderness. Lasti meja balimbingan ma pananggai mi ABP 230M. That your dog remain with Prince B. Last is also used to express an increase in degree and extent, translated with still, yet, even, and a comparative, e.g. utang na memet, loss be na met. May a small debt be made still smaller. As followed by the negative suada is often used to express still not. The negative always retaining its conjunctive force. 153 e.g. Diriori matubaga sansopo la suada didado ABP 158-13. She went into the sopo to see him, but she still did not see him. He'd already been away for a month. La suada jupasa do pidong na tului ABP 29-11, and still he hadn't been able to find those 3 birds. Latso also occurs ABP 29-18. Matua 154 is also used with a negative, e.g. Matua soada runibege soaga di pidong na malo makatahata, and still he didn't hear the call of a bird that could speak. Even after months and years had passed, Matua soada jupanasida etc., they still hadn't heard the sound, no matter how many people to come here to play dice. Matua sodung talu gau di Bengkalak ABP 67-13 FB. Still no one has won it for me. CF ABP 69B, P21B, P74M. Mandarin slide, lying or lang 158-3M. E.g. light suadong nama piyom mangan ABP 52. Still no one come to call him to eat, and even though it was night, langsongot do pe ABP 148-112, and still he did not awake. Odo pe dia kahan Mandarin EA langsung magbagas do peo ABP 135-112 FB. To you are the eldest, you are still not married. Light Sai 158-3 is young wow. Like Nakehero, even though father and uncle are hostile to each other, I am still going. Jugo is also used, but after the predicate ABP 134-110 FB. There is Mada Mango, e.g. Mada Mango Iaka Merlinggah Vitero ABP 518 FB. Still he didn't feel that downward there was a bottom to that hole. CF also ABP 613 FB, P9121, P139-11 FB. In addition, there is Marot Mango ABP 9119 and Tunggaringo, e.g. Tunggaringo Malot Magdapar Ibege ABP 6114, and still he did not hear the piece of bamboo fall glittering, and also ABP 8110 FB. Also Malot Tunggarina ABP 816 FB, Tunggarina Malot AB 9123. Dari also uses peyah malom, which literally means tied knot. See an example in IBP 93-16 FB. This concrete way of expressing still not ought to be compared with the use of Malo P 362 footnote 2 and Mat 254 note. Atong, this word means certainly, indeed, and often indicates a result that is contrary to what stated earlier, e.g. Diboto do ninna manopa bosiki atong idang habe diboto. He said that he would indeed be able to force my errand, but it has become quite clear that he can't with atong batu do. It is in fact a stone, and not as you contain a gem. Atong napototohon ik no hape. You do indeed appear to be a cheat. With this sense, it is often used with HP C17 below. In some cases, In the main clause atong niyan, C5 above in its place. And is placed right at the end of the main clause while the subordinate clause begins with Article 163. E.g. Article Songoni didok gerajai sinabun na mangolau talu do atong. Had the priest presented his case against me in this way, then I would have been the losing party. Mandailing use atong would much more order with the meaning of indeed. E.g. nadenggan atong HP titimon RBP 28414 AV. This thing of yours is indeed beautiful. All watong nadenggan maon body munyon. Yes, really, this is beautiful. This gun of yours. Atong is also used to begin a sentence in which an order is given to do something or permission is given to do something after a previous command has been carried out. E.g., we have now fulfilled your command to catch a buffalo, said the prince favorite slave. Atong ang gibunuh hamu man, now kill it, my dear young man. CRBP 149, 112, 114, 122, 124. There is enteng. E.g., despite my efforts, enteng malot saut ko kendangi di tinoko orang kaya di. I still didn't manage to lie with orang kaya's wife. RBP 24:117. You say that there had been an addition to those two people below. Entong ko pesulak si menongkir mitru. I have however sent someone below, but he says there has been no change. Oops, it is probable that a tongue is a variant of tongue, so that originally it meant certain sure. Tongue. This word expresses a supposition, the possibility that something determined either by fate or by someone's wish might happen. The translation is should happen, should the molotong jumpa halak should someone be in position to find it, molotong tidak halak should another see it, molotong dibunuh hoau say mago do ho should you dare to kill me, you will be destroyed. That said molotong magupat ditambah habuna ABP 294 11 so that 3 that has been cut you by you having to fall to in certain in conditional subordinate clause in which there is no conjunction. E.g. tung sakso got disia nak ninabaru idang betama sao so it come to ears by my gum he won't want me anymore. Tung disugu ho mana kau unang holo should he command you to send me, don't consent. Tung is also used in the second conditional subordinate clause in which mention is made of what can happen as a result of something spoken of in the first, e.g. molo tangan na magsahit to mati di bayan sahit nai to see etc. AB 150 twice if his hand is bad and if he should die because of it etc. In a negative main clause beginning with in the tung expresses the possibility of being the opposite to what the case really is. E.g. Ilda tung mangulu beho atihu nang nahutaw ang you probable don't be alive now had I not killed you. When also the clause follows, ida tung rejects possibility, ida tung na lilu hita we can lost on one way, ida tung na masuk hita ida tung na masuk beibana tutongan ni hatokapan. ABP 12 she can be classified as one of the court when compared to you, she can even be called average etc. In the tung is therefore often used when someone has to be dissuaded from holding a wrong opinion or when groundless fears have to be allied. E.g. ira tung di by negatu ABP 12. It was not so much because of my beauty. You must not think that men carry each other because I am so beautiful. Ira tungadong di sin na so jadi panganon ABP 14. There is nothing in it that may not be eaten with safety. Ira tung is also used with express as occasion the hope that something has not taken place. E.g. ira tung di pangan aiming the white box have a default rise have they. I do hope the white box have an etc. Ida that is used instead of inda, where the substantive that is used predicatively is denied. e.g. idada tumna soolo hudul abi 24m. By no means I not willing to sit down. Don't think that I won't sit down because I am obstinate. Tum preceded by so makes a negative imperative by which, in the interest of safety, a request or an order is expressed because of the fear that it may be ignored, e.g. so tung di pabua ho. Now I don't repeat it. So tung di pasia to tugumaun. Don't let him come inside the village. So tung wona pisomiao. Be careful that I am not struck by your clever. So tung is also used to express the impossibility of something occurring. So tung adong hal na muba tu son. Nobody else can have been here. So tung adong hapukusan tu balen RBP 169-18. There is no place by which it is possible to go outside, for it is not possible to escape from here. Used in sentences with biasa. Tung has been sound 133 to be a word with which one inquires about the necessity of someone's doing something, but it can also be used with the interrogative biasa in a question in which astonishment is expressed about the way in which something has come out. Iji biasa maho tung magawa guru. How come you by the name of guru? How is it possible for you to be called guru? With hadong C23 below tung can also be used to ask a question in which surprise expressed an opinion given by someone. Another term is aid to convince him that it is unfounded, e.g. adong tung na mabiyagaw ABP 14M me afraid. Tung is also used in exclamations of amazement at the possibility of someone saying, thinking, or doing something, e.g. Tungoni mo na puna sa ABP 286M. You say you've right to it. How dare you say that? You're entitled to dispute. So tung tobali bugu as though she were the only woman. How can you speak of her in such a way as though she were the only woman in the world? The other who, just as I have, being defeated by you have imprisoned in the sopo. Iatung sasada ututugu ni balatuk di sobomon au di bayakon ko. RBP 120. But I alone have been put by you in the stocks under the steps of your sopo. Mandarin uses muda buse C163 5M. There is muda ta 163 5D in bang with a negative say sample in dictionary. Biasa of buasa be created to basa means for what reason, why, and is used in questions in which surprise is expressed as something that someone has done. For example, see 133.1, or in questions directed to oneself about an experience for which there is no easy explanation. In the last case, ma is often placed after Beasa, e.g. Beasa maida huiday IBP 162.118 FB. Why didn't I see it? Though an interrogative meaning, how, why, Beasa often has the meaning of so. Indeed, really, but of course. In particular, Beasa is used when the person addressed is asked why he is asking a question or why he holds a certain opinion. Ijiatong amang idadong South Hamutuonan. So, my dear boy, you've not been to the Onan? To which the reply is Beasa ba inang magodad doami ABP 59. Why do you ask, brother? We have really been to the Onan. Hence, it also expresses interrogatively a readiness to do something, e.g. Beasa ida hulion ABP 59.110 FB. Why should I not give it? What makes you think that I would not be willing to give it? Mandarin Beasi ABP 44.119. There is Kiasa. Ups from the echoes of Beasa alongside Boasa. It appears that it is really towards Beha or Boha Asa that this derivation is no longer felt is apparent from the possibility that Ma can come after Beasa, whereas felt as still being there. This could not happen because Ma can never occur after that conjunction. I cannot account for the form of Beasi in Bandai. Perhaps Kasaderi is a similar corruption of Kare Asa. Nama or Namana is restrictive, just as Akbat and only Iji. Saranama na ulos na sida na Dolui, only one was the garment of the three of them. They had only one garment between the three of them. Danok naman na Tiyanon, it is only a little distance away from here. Hita na tolu naman na Somagutang. We have three. We three are the only ones who have not been gambled away. Ia nong sun rabio ni halak nung sundo tabaon na matsina namana. Where the hacking away of the small wood on the field and also the felling of the timber on it had been completed, and there was nothing more to be done than that the timber that had been cut dry out. Nama or namana is also used when a desire or a wish is confined to something one contents oneself with. E.g., unang tangis namana ho, if only you don't cry, I shall be content if, etc. Asalamijug number ho, provided you but come down. It is also used to express the need to resign oneself to something disagreeable. E.g., masadi nengel nama pinggol ubege suara nai. There was nothing else left to the ear but to become deafened, i.e. the ear was simply deafened. Listening to his voice, nothing could be done. His one simply had to put up with being made deaf by his yelling. If I can't come inside, what am I to do? I suppose I must pass the night in the jungle. Tugabaon naman na au magmalam IBP 101M. Ang gonamate iso giniarina na may mate di bayan muswibana. As far as the dead man is concerned, it was simply his fate that he died by the hand of the enemy. Nama is also used when a decision is taken out of despair, because there is no other course open and only one thing that can be done. E.g., after he had tried at every means to separate his daughter and his brother's son, both of whom had unfortunately become acquainted with the result that they had become man and wife, he pondered on the course he should take, saying, Hudoko na manasida pulikhuta mamukahutana manasida ABP 48. There is no alternative left to me but to order them to another huta. May them make another huta for themselves. Una madibay ko by Jolmamu, ABP 47M. Lest I be made by you your wife. Mandarin uses nama but more often noma and doma in sub-Mandarin. E.g., jadi urubalang baratang balitung noma tinggal ABP 94M, so that only the hero baratang balitung stayed behind. Patuhamu ulang halong noma tanurura panyabunganon ABP 9311FB. Surrender yourself so that this territory of Panyabungan not be brought to ruin. Mulak na maaw to labaan ABP 5 that I may return to that campus set there. Hunjab na masachogot ABP 6 tomorrow. I shall just lie in wait for that person. Is also used with Jolo when a suggestion is made to do a thing together, e.g. Taulahi Noma Jolo to Siaji UM. Let us now return to Prince UM. Let us take up the thread of the story It is also used when a resemblance is to be stressed. It is wakon bating naguan anak doma RBP 113 1 FP. On the battlefield, the prince was just like a banting that has lost its young. There is nari, iji iba-ibandene mangan nari ngoaku. RBP 1990. I am only the remnant of your meal. Sembung kunari ngo sitading sangket ibinangun idi. RBP 99B. Only my coffin has remained hooked on the pole of the house. Ulang sojupa nari ngosiki pangan anakku idi. RBP 161B. If only the one that has eaten my son can be caught, pemuat kunari ngo kusonku by inang. RBP 141 115. I've only to ask my mother what I should do to catch those animals. Ulang ibat kene mari ngo buku idi moli iba indene. RBP 145 113. If only you will not take away my feathers in diary, nari tehe tauba in the taking of the decision 164, jikugarangi nari ngo. RBP 146 14FP. Come, let me creep up to it so that I can see what is in the next. Nari is also used after predicative jajang seen above, and also to express a superlative. 62 4D. Layak ni variance, layak ni or layak ni means appears to be. As a mode of it means must, should be, ought to be, where this expressed that, judging from what has been heard or observed, can be considered probable, e.g. na bigun ma kon lihat ni, this water must be bewitched in view of what I've seen, this water, etc. In dada jun ma lihat ni pangulam. RBP 7M. The people working in your fields don't seem to be human beings to judge from what we have seen. The people working in your fields are not human beings. Songoni maliat ni sogoniarin RBP 61 TNM. Such appears to his fate. Hongun hibigu liat ni RBP 71 M. It must be buffaloes belonging to spirits olo by nang anggo dahangi nagigido habe magdida 161 au di bain siapa kuniki au liat ni siapudan naim do hat samalo muni rohatu au liat ni hele nang. Indeed mother, it is my elder brother who hates me as likely as not, because I am a unique grasshopper. Only the youngest appears to be well disposed towards me. Is that not so, mother? Indah dong my biar ho liat ni bida jalani rajai. You don't appear to be afraid of the prince net. Si bujung do liat ni hahang na maningalo now. You appear to be very anxious to forsake me, brother. It is only occasions that liani has the meaning of learning 6. Manding says nakni, lakni or lakni and lakna. RBP 264 112 111 FPEG. Namorado on nakni. RBP 34 15 FP. This must be a princely personage. It is also used in cases in which an urgent inquiry is made about something C6M above. E.g. to dia honakni RBP 187 13 FP. Where have you been for so long? Isi siado san munyu ignakni RBP 121 110. Who is said that brother of yours? Who is that man of you? There is latna e.g. imot latna bigu bapa RBP 233 that must be a father spirit. Lot more lakna kebiaran. RBP 203 1F 14. There must be something terrible. Naing or naing, this word as a verb means to wish, to want. It also expresses that something takes place in the future. It is often used as an adverb and then it means as you wish according to your desire. E.g. molo naing mangulu angimi patung ngom maujung ni always me to ebenai. RBP 95M. If your younger brother is to live, then prick him in the mouth with the point of your kris. 140 molo naing malum saiton buat madiau. ABP 114M. If you wish that my complaint be cured, then get me, etc. Molonai unak kupanga ko buan maau to gitchang ABP 140 16FB. If you don't want me to eat you up, then take me above molonai di hodeba. If you wish to have something of it, molonai sai rua mas no di tia tabon ni bianginon ABP 222 12. If you want find God always to comfort from the arcs of the door, etc. Use with the passive lying and other words expressing with twist, such as for example, she'll always refer to a gen, e.g. lying the boto. It wants to be known by him, he wants to know it. Ahas your panganomu, what wants to be your food, i.e. what is it that you want to eat, that you wish to eat. Now is placed at the end of a question which is asked on the assumption that no answer will be forthcoming, e.g. surat ni panapui online. This a manual for divination with the demon, isn't it? See also 165.4 T-note and 165.62 ops. Perhaps numbering 157 is a comparative form of 9. In this connection, ulaning above 6 alongside with which ulaing is also used might be given consideration up to the present. It has not been possible to determine certainty that the derivation of such words no represent the concept. Manding sus giot, e.g. di bayan giot diawi, ABP 248B, because I want to have that giot usually means to want to decide to cover, e.g. Udana giot ia dibotoki dengan my ABP 239 110. If it desires my sister, then it is well. Diary also used naing diary, but often adds katemu after it when naing refers to the person spoken to, e.g. muna naing katemu merian tano sini pungkahmu idi, ABP 14.116 FB. If you desire that the earth which you have created shall be populated, cf. also ABP 1.110. With regard to engulf, it is used more in the sense of to be willing to do something, e.g. muda malot enggeut na poso muidi mendengani kami, IBP 15.14 FB. If your servant is not willing to keep us company, etc. See IBP 16.15 and 17. HP variants HP ya, HP nga, HPan, HPngani, and HPnganikon. HP used in sentences in which a conviction is expressed that is the result of observation can be translated with therefore or then, e.g. Aik paksalinan maun HP this then must be the river in which one's form can be changed. The transformation river to Sodo HP dibuan, he has then brought him here. He said when he saw the tracks, when her husband had told her what those green things were, she said, those things are then called gadong. Asa gadong ma HP goang na IBP 44.117. HP also used in subordinate clause in order to draw a contrast between its contents and those of the preceding clause. It then has the meaning of an adversative conjunction, and the translation is but in fact, e.g. diagam jolma HPB gudo ABP 85.110 FB. He thought it was a human being, but in fact it was a spirit. HP hodo, but I see in fact that is you. Diagap halak na romaktaban hutanai berdida masih haji pamasa HP ABP 57M. He thought that it was people who were coming to occupy his village, but he saw that it was in fact HP. It was the same adversative meaning in a second condition, a subordinate clause that is used to express contrast to the first, e.g. if you are disposed to kill me, further then without doubt you will be destroyed. If however you let me live, you will without fail be blessed. HP molo pangulu hodo wow saikabe doho. HP is often used after a substantive or pronoun functioning as such to stress it as being something to which it is desired to draw attention, e.g. Asara Jaima HP Namak Jolmaun, etc. It was thus the aforesaid prince who had as a wife, etc. Asaima Hape Inani Rajata, that was thus the prince's mother. The explanation of this use is to be found in the habit of the Bata writer of occasionally introducing the members of his audience as speaking persons. This habit also explains the expression Olo Maguru, yes indeed master, which is frequent in Poda. Hape is also used in exclamations that begin with tongue above 12, in which the speaker expresses the confusion to which he has been brought by the hard facts, e.g., tung si buat-buat pinggan mau HP IBP 125B, as though I were nothing but a carrier of plates. I wouldn't have thought they would have dared to use me as a carrier of plates, but I see that's just what they have done. Mandarin uses HP and Hapengan, e.g., after he had seen the Prince HDM, he said to himself she must be the daughter of the spirit Ima Hapengan Boru Nibegui IBP 36-115 FB. Dari uses kepeken e.g. Malo kepeken to who IBP 23-116 FB. What you have said does not therefore appear to be the truth. CF IBP 23-1-5 FB. Sahat, often used with dung. 157 for the spacing of the perfect is subordinate clauses, e.g. to Sahat Duribana after he had sat down, after he had taken his place. Tong Sadibana Rodi Hutanai IBP 34-1-4 after he had arrived at his village. Used with go to come, and a preposition Saat means to arrive at. 155 as does Tolhas IBP 107-118 FB. Saat is often used to represent a set state, place or degree as something that has been reached. Before Meral indicates that the quantity stated had been reached. It is Saat Pitunoli IBP 60-1-4 FB, right to 7 times. Saat Magniyak IBP 29-1-7 to the point of being 263 footnote 2. The following words are also used to express the same idea. Sanga, e.g. Sanga Pitunoli IBP 61-110. Bunga Sanga Hami Magmusu Husukun Hamima IBP 209-17 FB. So that it will not come to war among us, let us put questions to the somebound na leban nai idadong sanga lo jauh dibain mangalo nasida yang goho sanga lo jauh wahab mangalo ho IBP 69-125. The others have not made me play against them until I've become tired, but you, I feel I've played against you until I've become weary. CF also IBP 75 and below 165-4-4. In view of what has been said in 155, it is hardly necessary to point out that in the examples just given, both Saat and Sang are verbs which in translation become adverbs or adverbial juncs, e.g. Saat Pitunoli 7 times have come is really a clause functioning as an adverbial junct. Sape indicates that an amount or a period of time has been reached. It functions as a predicate, of which the translation is an adverbial junct, while the verb functions attributively. CF 126-2, e.g. Sape Manasida Tulu bulan na Magdalani, for 3 months did they travel. Literally, they were as much as 3 months traveling. South indicates that the action represented goes on suit that expresses the reverse, e.g. jadi South Manasida Magdalene IBP 138-114, so that they went on walking. CF 106, Sang as Sape and South has been sound be separated from the verb. They divide by a substantive occurring as the subject, because South Magdalene can be regarded as two verbs representing one concept, of which the translation is to travel on. Mandarin uses Lopus, Tolap, Borkas, Tibo, etc. Sang IBP 194B and P133B, and Jabat South IBP 48B. It uses Sanga but with a different meaning 147M. Dari uses Soh Sahat without roh, and Israel together with me 159 too. Iji kencaso iya mi kutana IPP 153 113 FB tungsa ibana rodi hutana. In addition, there are tools which is also used in the Subtoba and Surung South and Sondat dari J5. I is placed at the beginning of a sentence in the list of vast question in which, because the reverse is expected, surprise is expressed about a contention someone holds or to or about an action. The translation is, isn't it, am I, haven't you, did it, etc. E.g. hudok to ho, I am not blaming you, am I, or am I blaming you? I inda dong di siya to rahot ni pat nai IBP 52M. You've got two kidney muscles, haven't you? For other examples, see in dictionary under I. I also introduces occasion, asking about something that has already been said but which has not been understood, e.g. IBH paghalak di harami IBP 152 1 b. Just what is the appearance of your elder brother? Ayaha do lihat ni natinuburon mi IBP 4. Just what is it that you've given birth to? I also functions as a conjunction 163. Artic, which also may function as a conjunction 163, means perhaps, e.g. Artic na lupa di rupana IBP 157 1 FB. Perhaps I have forgotten his appearance. Artic asido rohana C 148 4. At adong magside di utaniamatay. Perhaps someone is ill in my father's village. Sometimes the translation is who knows how, e.g. atik na sa dia daw nari hutatay IBP 115T, who knows how far this village of yours still is. Mandaling uses betak, e.g. betak tutuna ni dok ni huting IBP 34 T. Perhaps what the cat says is true. There also uses ta 147 dari Atik. Also Balam 38 express an increase in degree more and more. The more it also means in spite of surely. Still anyway, e.g. who knows how far this village of yours still is from here. Let us go, for the day gets darker and darker. Hari malam potang RPP 105 116. Unang pinunggulan, unang malam godop IBP 138B. Let no piece be cut from it, so that it will not become lower still. Malam madungdung maburui IBP 140T. The bamboo dropped lower and lower. Dunga balam matua pamataku doa pamatang ni namon IBP 55 113 FB. My body and that of your mother here gets older and older. When the boss inside the village gate had been hammered home, the prince who was outside said, "Why do you people board this gate in spite of my request to be allowed to enter?" Biasa malam rasangon muna harpanganon IBP 134M. Malam go usai si dictionary. The day nevertheless approached the sowers. Monday uses more examples C 148 4M and IBP 50. There is marking IBP 12 15 and 17 FP P 21 111 P 118 114 P 280 115. Ra really means to wish, to want, to like, to desire, do. With this meaning, it is more usual in Mandailing. It is used in main clauses to express the probability that which is represented by the predicate will take place something in the future. E.g., if you have already taken that, then in all probability my illness will be cured. Ratung malum dosa hiton IBP 114 118. If you have already taken that as food for me, then in all probability will that which is in the sea be born. Ratubuma na di dalam laut IBP 116 113. Sitapito bongin nari rami jugma nasida IBP 103T. In all probability, they'll come down within a week. Idang bera terjua ni dokmi. IBP 221M. What you've said cannot then be opposed further. In interrogative clauses, however, always use e.g. ida olo mahami monang olo masijonaha talu. Is it not probable that we shall win and Jonaha be defeated? Beado olo do that koga on hato muna. How is it? Is there any probability that this matter of the carrot, which is being discussed by you, will have a chance of being brought to an end? In clauses of this kind, topa can also be used with olo, e.g. behado goarao topa olo do sodot hatau muna. What's the position in the matter of this carrot? Will you be able to bring it to an end? Maram, which occurs in affirmative sentences, is also used in interrogative sentences. E.g. behado tumaram do sodot goraon hatau muna. Tumaram dapat hita doi rohaku IBP 103 or IBP 103T. In my opinion, we shall probably be able to get it. Rupa is also used, e.g. Ahama pabawau kuidiho so wada rupa tagpauli IBP 105M. I don't know why I bothered to mention it to you, for in all probability nothing can be done about it. For Rupani and Rupana dari sisi dictionary, but it is used in a statement expressing what could hardly be otherwise, e.g. patut maho talu dibain. It is no surprise to me that you have been beaten by him. Pat is certainly Malay in origin. For preference, therefore, namun layak or leak and layap or leap are used. As example, dictionary PP 142 and 192 and NABI 3 240 119 and CM footnote above 15. Tagamon, with a negative, is used to express improbability. It is not to be expected, it is improbable, etc. E.g. Indarong tagamon chupahami pidong na malong bakatahata IBP 6060. If I and my brother stay together permanently, it is probable that we shall be able to catch a bird that can speak. When Jonah heard that matter of the images had been settled, and he thought that there was no longer the probability that he would have to go to war over them, then he etc. it down tagamo na magora bibana di kuhana alani gana inon IBP 313.14. Mandarin also uses lagak omitted dictionary, e.g. lagak dapat kita doi. Is there a possibility of our finding it? Dari also uses tangkas, e.g. tangkas ngo IBP 212, 12 and 17 FP naturally. Adong, the definiteness associated with the use of this word 141 appears to be the reason that it can also function as an interrogative. As such, it is untranslatable. It often introduces an interrogative main clause when the preceding subordinate clause contains a condition or a supposition, e.g. atiudang di pabohamuna adong binoto IBP 2114. Had you not said it, would it have been known? Molo buatomu ati-atiki adong au majua IBP 118M. If it is absolutely necessary for you to take my heart, shall I prevent your doing so? Molonunga songoni doko adong jua honoku. If that is what you said, is it for me to refuse it? There is a further example on P 7318 for Adong Sadia C 165.52. Adong in association with Tung has already been dealt with above 12. CF also IBP 169, 119. The aim of questions such as those given the examples as the affirmative, then they express either willingness or an actual fact in an interrogative form. Adong is also used in questions which are dependent neither on a condition nor a supposition. If an expresses The uncertainty felt by the speaker whether he will receive an affirmatory reply or not, e.g. adong doho magadis deke, do you by any chance selfish? Is adong magadis deke isini hutaon? Who among the inhabitants of this village does by any chance selfish? In a negative statement, adong is used to emphasize the impossibility of something being effected. CF 153.3c, e.g. suara adong takpatong 121.1, it is impossible to feed it together. Adong can also be separated from the negative in order to lay emphasis on a small quantity of something, e.g. so magmanok sada hamyatong, suada magbabisada hamyatong, ABP 203.17 FB. For we have no false, not even one, and neither have we bigs, not one. Preceded by na, adong can introduce a conditional clause, e.g. nadong si dohonon barang diutang gararon barang disingit tungguon, ABP 252M. If there is something that has to be discussed regarding either a debt that should be paid or a credit that has to be recovered, adong is rarely used before a numeral, but an example is dijujung maari nauli adong mapitubongin nai asa chupa ari nauli, ABP 59.13 FB. From the table used for definition, they saw a favorable day. There were to be 7 more days before the right day was to come. When adong is used in two clauses following each other, it is to effect a contrast between unspecified person, e.g. adong naro, adong nalao. There were ones that come, there were ones that went. Monday often uses adong as it does sa pay above 18, e.g. adong maiyas sa bulan na Magdalani, ABP 48.111 FB, when he had been journeying for a month or rather about a month. CF also ABP 49.19 and 113P, 277.14P, 272.13. Adong is even used before an interrogative, e.g. adong biyan ningin iya mandokon ko, ABP 139.12. What did he say to you? Adong di dahamu bajuku, ABP 38.13. Have you people by any chance seen my jacket? CF ABP 271.118, P 182.18 FB, P 252.13. Adong na mga leon gogo, adong na mga leon hobol, mga lehen. Adong na mga lehen gogo, adong na mga lehen hobol, ABP 48M. The one gave him power, the other in vulnerability, etc. Diary in questions usually uses nola, which really means again once more after the predicate, e.g. if you think, Fred, that it can now be done by me without difficulty, mahangke nola aku, ABP 240.121. Would I then be unwilling to do it if I were to be asked by you? If you say, oh Prince, that someone must go because there is something to be fetched, would we, the multitude of us who are here, your subjects, then declare ourselves unwilling to go? Mendokan somada engkau nolak kami sinterem ena, ABP 105.123, CF ABP 51.15. Should you tell us to go and seek your son, will we, having been asked by you, not be willing? Madanola kami engkau iarahkan kono, ABP 156.13 FB. Nola is also used with interrogatives. It then expresses futurity, e.g. if the food that has been given by you is finished, what then shall we eat? Kade nolang mo kupangan kami, ABP 19M. If what you have seen is correct, that my husband has been killed in a mantrap, then who will help me look after my children? Isinola denganku menggeluhi dukaku ena, ABP 190B. It is also used after an interrogative when one asks about the reason or for the motive for that which is mentioned in the clause following, which clause begins with asa, e.g. kadenola ale sikubahenken gerar asaro nola kerina abi P134T. What is the reason, O you, to whom I've given a name, that all of you come again? Nola is used after a substantive which, because its emphasis comes at the beginning of the sentence, e.g. WED nola mo kuelek elek PP29M, that woman may then be persuaded baby. It is also used to express contrast in the translation is then and still, and yet, e.g. Burung mertua has given you your freedom so that you should not die, and yet you say you wish to kill him. Naing nola ni mu ibunuh kono IBP 172:16. What I say to you was well intentioned, and I have therefore given you palm wine to drink, and yet you straightway treat me as though I were a dog. Menter nola ngo akui pebiang-biang kono IBP 180B. Nola is used in association with pe in a concessive preceding clause, e.g. mate nola pe aku ibakin kenesi andam kala idi sora inang tangoku deng koh mendoken mukai pentu bagas ena IBP 108:1-2. Even though I may be killed by the 6 of you, I still hear the voice of our mother asking that the door of this house be open for her. Katera nola peni malebae bangku ngo jelmamu idi asa jadi IBP 28:1-FB. Whatever you may say, my friend, your wife must belong to me before all will be well. IBP CF IBP 29:1-2. It's also used with Ena Weltoba, only used on P 143 EG. Ena nola pe aku teridah IBP 24:1-FB. It is only now that it is seen. Nola is finally used in Toba, and Malengo is used here 24. E.g. Mongkam nola inang na ID IBP 142:14. Derapon spoke is mother CF IBP 142:117. In this example, Nola indicates following turn that spoke his mother in her turn. Likewise in Rebaken, aku nola mo lebeken medem IBP 28:19-FB. You've already learned a long time with that moment. Now she must lie with me. In other cases, there uses lot where adong is used in Toba and Mandarin, e.g. lot ia deba si mekayu, lot ia deba memupuk ejuk, lot ia deba si kiketang. IBP 52:114-FB. Some of them fetch wood, also others ijuk, others again case. Cane. Go. This word really means to come, but it is often used to introduce a person, either speaking or acting, other than the person who has just been mentioned. The translation is thereupon he or she then, e.g. he went on crying. The prince then arrived and heard a sing-song noise. Roma Boruni Rajai di Bege Masai Magun Ungut. So an example on P 272:114 and RBP 230:1-2. Go, when used with its real meaning, can be repeated before the proposition di, e.g. Dia godo hita di rumah. Ia godo hita go di rumah if you have arrived. Usually, however, sahat is used and then go is placed before the preposition, here 18. Mandailing, the use of go is frequent, especially when introducing another person who is speaking. C. IBP 3:119-18, 16:4 and 12B, P21:1 and 4. Hence jadi maglindung musema with the subject following and then the words he speaks. Roma CF IBP 237:1-2 with P 239:118. Dari uses nola. See above 23 and seldom roh, and the sample RBP 179:19-FB. Uhud The expresses simultaneity, e.g. Maret de Bana Hurut Magdalan, he sang while walking. Other examples, see dictionary and RBP 221-18 FB, P224-15 FB. There is Nina na see dictionary and RBP 108-18. It also uses gahgad see dictionary, but in the following sentence and preceding the subject, e.g. asa injaki mo kunukan gahgah ia memedili RBP 173-113 FB. Thereupon they hop around the tiger and fight their guns while doing so. Mount. This word expresses a great degree of probability, e.g. count out the Spanish pieces and find God so that we can return quickly to our village. It is highly probable that we shall be overtaken by nightfall, for our village lies far off. Botari Hami Mau Dau Hutanami ABB 218-112 FB. Atik beha matalu hulabdatai di Korai Maila Hitamaun. If in this matter our kinsmen are worsted, it is certain that we shall be ashamed. Hanuhon, this word appears to be a dairism. See diary following, it is seldom used in good toba and never in Mandeling. Mandeling has indok instead of nidok. C26 ops 1. Sub-Mandeling has indokon or ningkalai 159 3M. Diary has kunukan, which is often used after the predicate and more. Ma in toba in sentences in which something is said about a thing that has happened. To judge from the form, it appears to be an imperative so that it can be translated literally with believe me, so the storyteller says. Kunu, which appears to mean it is said, is also used in dictionary and RBP 179-110 P 140-19 P 153-19. The expression of tense. The words there within 158, with a few exceptions such as those in 22, 23, and 34, never occur as predicates and ought to be regarded more as adverbs than the words that are translated by an adverb. 155. Here it is not superfluous to draw attention to the matter in which time is expressed. If not verb of time such as sogot, see 158-6, occurs in a sentence, then the tense must be understood either from the context or from the relationship of the subordinate clause to the main clause. See also 165. The past tense is not only expressed with the demonstrative pronoun e. 144, but often also by the replacing of the pronoun na. See 165 and examples on P 274, 114 and 13 FB, and CF 154, CF also P 247, 16. It is noteworthy that when the first passive of mando expresses the past tense, the first person is often lengthened with an. CF Mandeling below, e.g. siamuni madu konma ditogu pabuan nasotutu na hudohaninon. ABP 216-15. The rising of this falsehood face downwards in order to show that what I said earlier is not correct. Maandi shows a preference for the suffix an in adverbs referring to time past. 154, especially if they function as adjectives, e.g. natuarian ABP 173b, nahinanan 158 4M, and ABP 193b, nangkinan ABP 294b. Such adverbs can still be defined by e.g. narianani ABP 36b.